Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa. Pretty just ain't good enough. Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa. Gotta see the bigger picture, yeah. So you ain't gotta spend your whole life running. I know you're trying to chase all that money, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and as promised I am back with another DIY. Today's DIY is going to be some DIY bling tights. I have been seeing the bling tights all over Instagram, all over YouTube, so I decided to go ahead and give it a try. Something very simple but can be very stylish for the holiday time. First up, we're going to lay all of our materials out on a nice table. It's nice to have everything all together. So first we're going to use some black tights. I grabbed those from Walmart. I have the E6000 glue. I have a pack of rhinestones that I grabbed from Joann's. And then I got a red pack as well that I might add in. And then I have my hot tool. Then I grabbed this roll. It was actually an empty roll of wrapping paper, but I'm going to use it to put through my stockings so they can kind of be more stretched out and laid out. I'll just put it in through there so I won't make a big mess. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So first I'm going to open up my black pair of tights. And I want the tights to kind of be a little more stretched out, so I'm going to stretch them. It'll help for everything to lay nice and even if your stockings are stretched out a little. I'm going to preheat my tool so that way when it's time to glue my rhinestones on, it'll already be semi-hot. Doesn't need to be really hot, but I'm going to click that button and go ahead and turn on it to kind of preheat it a little bit. And then I'm going to take my wrapping paper roll. It was just the empty roll that I have. And I'm going to put it through my stockings. This will help kind of stretch out the stockings a little bit and help your rhinestones to lay and not be as messy. Then we're going to fast forward a little bit, put it all the way through. And then we're going to lay them flat. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the E6000 glue. But if you don't have E6000, you can also use a hot glue gun with your glue sticks as well. I'm going to take my E6000 and then I'm going to place little small dots of glue throughout my stockings. There's no specific order, but nice small dabs of the glue. As you all know, the E6000 is really kind of messy, so you just need very small dabs of the glue. And then you want to clean it up. You know, there's always a little excess, so you can kind of wipe it around and clean it up a little bit. So I'm going to place a few dots kind of to get me started. And then I laid out some of my rhinestones on my table to kind of preset everything. And then I'm going to grab my hot tool, kind of warm it up, and then I'll go ahead and pick up the rhinestones. So gently pick up your rhinestones, and then you're going to place them where you put your glue. So you want to move them on top of the glue. Pick up another rhinestone and kind of place it on top of the glue as well. So there's no specific order of where your rhinestones can go. It's kind of all up to you as far as your design. You can also make a design if you want to have a design. I know I saw these very, very cute ones that Dier from DK for Life had on. She had ones with like the money sign. So just go online, get some more inspiration. But for me, I just wanted to do some very basic bling bling stockings. So of course, again, you're going to pick up some more of your rhinestones and kind of put them on. The good thing about the E6000, even though it's a little messy, you can kind of let it dry and then kind of pluck off the excess glue if need be. And even if you want to start off with the E6000 and then use your hot glue gun to kind of add some more and kind of fix them up and neaten them up. So those are a couple that I went on ahead and start. So you're going to rotate throughout. So something very, very simple. You're going to let that one dry, flip it over, do the other side. So guys, there you have it. Something very, very simple and chic. Nice pair of bling bling stockings. You can pair your sweaters, your holiday dresses with your black heels as well. Something simple but yet still stylish. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Continue to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.